Today, I'd like to introduce to you a powerful electric forklift. This electric forklift is powered by a battery. When compared with internal combustion forklifts, it boasts remarkable advantages such as zero pollution, effortless operation, energy conservation, and high efficiency. It can safely handle complex scenarios such as warehouse ramps and truck loading and unloading. When the electric forklift is in operation, it can achieve precise control of forward and backward tilting movements, and can also perform flexible horizontal displacement operations. The maximum lifting height of the gantry reaches 3 meters, which is suitable for the standard shelf height and optimizes the utilization rate of the vertical space. It is standardly equipped with an intelligent control system, which supports precise lifting and lowering, smooth steering, and has a sensitive operation response. This electric forklift adopts designs such as power redundancy and intelligent electronic control algorithms, solving problems of traditional forklifts like insufficient power when climbing slopes and easy overheating of brakes when going downhill. If you would like to learn more about the data of the forklift, you are welcome to contact us.